Slow. What do we do? I need to get faster. I need to get faster. Someone, I need to get faster. I'm literally so slow. I'm literally slower than a snail. This is literally as fast as I could walk. I gotta walk 100 studs. 16, 32, this is impossible. I already reached 64 studs. One more. Oh, I reached 128. Yes, I won. Ooh, I got some speed. Thanks, I got 5 speed. Ooh, I got a bit faster. This is literally as fast as I could go. I'm literally not even unstoppable. I just need to go as fast as I possibly could before it ends. I'm really so slow than a snail. What do I do? I got to run as fast as I possibly could. I gotta jump off this tower, but I'm too slow. This is gonna be harder than I thought. It could be. So I got to win this obby. I really want to win. To win this game and get infinite speed. But I won't. I needed to win. Because I need to go as fast as I possibly could before it is too late. Oh, I'm already so slow. We am almost at this obby. Yes, I completed the obby. I'm already a pro at this game. So we got to go on this top. Oh, this is taking forever. We're already at 2 minutes on the video. I'm still at 5 speed. What do I even do? I'm so slow. When I reach the next zone, I'm gonna go up there and then fall down to see what truly happens. I really love to see what happens. But I gotta go, I'm so slow. What do I even do? Nanananakoon. Chip choppy, do good la butters gone, do good in the line, collect a shoe, like I'm going when they still will trying. I'm tonight. In the diary, knew that there was coupons. Then the deeds are red. Phew, I'm already almost at the top. I can't wait to make it at this obby. I just started climbing the ladder, and I'm already almost tired. But what do I even do? I'm not tired enough. I just need to get some confidence. But I forgot this is Roblox World. I'm really in Roblox World, so I got to go as fast as possible before it's too late. I literally started this channel a month ago and I'm already going crazy since I'm gonna... Wait, I am about to jump there. This is so cool. Three, two, one. If I jump there, I'll get 10 speed. Link. Well, who jumped this? This was the Roblox AI. I'm getting down. Roblox animation. Oh my gosh, I cracked. Since I jumped down, I get 10 speed. I feel my fastest. I need to race the invisible guy. I'm just gonna teleport. I'm gonna race the invisible dude. So I need to race the invisible dude. This guy has 7 speed, so I gotta be in 3, 2, 1. I'm already getting progress, and I'm not even tired, cause I'm super duper cool. I am already not tired. I'm just super fast, and I got some confidence. I'm just gonna need it. Ginger Danny, la la la, and no, Nicholas, I like la. Look at me. Every level, every dream. Run, 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 just follow me. Zoom, play with me. Zooming, go, go, go. Flying high, and I could trust this one goal. Story never told. Wait, where am I? I got the obby. I get free speed. I'm already almost normal speed. It's been almost 7 minutes on the video, and I'm already almost normal speed. I'm getting fast. Let's just use your challenges. I need to go high in 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my gosh, I made it. I got super tall. I got taller. Oh my gosh. I'm normal speed. Oof. I respawned and I'm normal speed. Yes. I'm the strongest man in Roblox. I'm already beating these obbies. And I am going to win this obby. But I need to win as fast as I possibly could. Or I will post any videos again. Just kidding. So I probably need to get infinite speed before lower than 20 minutes. I'm still in the blow with this game. I got to win as fast as I possibly could. Oh, this is too cool. I love beating armies so much. I need to go. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Dun 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 dun. I need to fill up the army and get 20 speed. I'm already gonna get infinite speed. I'm already gonna do easier challenges. I got 20 speed. I'm already turning on sound. I'm just turning on sound. Yeah, now you hear some sound. I'm already the richest man on Roblox. I feel so strong. I'm so muscular. I am muscular than everybody here. And I'm already so fast. Is that Verity? Don't touch Verity and win. I need to don't touch Verity. Where's Verity? Oh, Verity's right there. I gotta get away Verity. Verity's right there. I gotta get away from Verity. Let's get away. Where's Verity? Wait, where? Verity, I'm coming to find you. Don't touch the Verity. Oh, the Verity. It's the Verity. Just go slower. I'm about to find Verity and get 30 speed. Oh, I'm gonna find you, Verity. Verity, no, he left. Where did he go? Oh, he's hiding somewhere. I saw him right there, so I'm actually gonna find there. I hope it's the right spot. Found you, Verity. No, you're fine. Thanks for 30 speed. I got 30 speed. I'm already faster than everybody here. I need to reach infinite speed before 20 minutes. And it's already been 11 minutes on the channel. So I got to run as fast as I possibly could before it is too late. Oh, let's see. Jump on the hobbies. Jump, jump, jump. Find all the bacons and win. Find the gold in your bacon. I'm gonna find you. Oh, gold in your bacon, you're right there. Hey, gold in your bacon, you're right there. I'm gonna see you. Wait, my speed is going up like crazy. Race to level 2 in the Zoga with 75 speed. I'm gonna win this game. Millionaires. Look at me, I got 100 speed. I'm already so fast. I'm faster than everyone. I still need to reach this hobby. I'll get 10 times my speed now if I complete this hobby. I'm definitely gonna win this game. Yes, I wanna get 1000 speed. Now it's time for the trip. One for the whole map. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna win this game. Yes, I'm gonna get infinite speed. I get infinite speed. Yes, I got infinite speed. I got infinite speed. I'm the fastest. Yes, I'm so fast. Look at me, I'm faster than everybody here. I'm literally ending right now. My game. Yes, I'm back with +1 speed wall. Wanna play this game? Wait, why is my treadmill locked? Guys, watch my next video to see what truly happens. My treadmill is locked. Click it before it ends.